Hello, welcome our The Best 5 channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show some of the best Vitamix blenders that have been best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. Let's go start. Number 1. Vitamix 5200 Blender Professional Grade, less expensive, with a basic interface and limited features. The Vitamix 5200 Professional Grade Blender is a decent option. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a very durable motor or any preset options. This model comes with Vitamix's classic 64-ounce Triton pitcher, which we found to produce smoother blends. At 10.56 pounds, it's fairly lightweight and has a basic switch and dial interface offering 10 variable speeds. The included tamper works well, and the 2-horsepower motor is equipped with a radial cooling fan and thermal protection. Vitamix uses BPA-free materials that give you peace of mind, so you know there aren't toxic chemicals leaching into your famous pumpkin soup. This model stands strong and tall at 20.5 inches, so keep this in mind when you consider countertop placement. This machine doesn't work as well for small quantities and is quite loud. It's easy to use but somewhat bulky and not particularly good looking. Vitamix includes a good 7-year warranty. Pros: less expensive, fairly lightweight and easy to use, choice of 10 variable speeds, strong motor with built-in fan and thermal protection, large, well-designed blending container, good 7-year warranty. Cons: basic interface, motor feels less durable. Number 2. Vitamix 7500 Blender Professional Grade. Our overall favorite is the Vitamix 7500 Blender, a sturdy model with plenty of capacity and quite a few speed options. This blender combines many of Vitamix's best qualities, with a very powerful motor and a great warranty. At £13, this blender is on the heavier side, but it's also moderately priced and powerful. The black plastic body comes in a choice of red, black, or white accents, and the all-metal drive has a strong, cool-running 2.2 horsepower motor. There aren't any presets, but you will have a pulse feature and a choice of 10 variable speeds, and we found the switch and dial interface somewhat clunky but very functional. The 4-tip blade assembly is made of hardened stainless steel. This model won't work well for smaller quantities and doesn't have any single-serve features. The low-profile 64-ounce plastic blending container feels fairly durable and fits more easily under cabinets but doesn't blend as smoothly. The package does include a plastic tamper to ensure smoother blending. The 7500 comes with a lengthy 7-year warranty covering parts, labor, and shipping. All in all, we think that this is the best Vitamix blender of 2020. Pros: powerful, cool-running motor with all-metal drive, pulse feature and 10 variable speeds, reasonably priced, durable blades in large, low-profile blending container, includes plastic tamper, lengthy 7-year warranty. Cons: on the heavier side, clunky, less elegant interface. Number 3. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender 48 ounces container. If you're working with a smaller budget, the best Vitamix blender for the money is the E310 Explorian Blender, a smaller model that's plenty powerful and very fairly priced. This 11.5 pound model is light for a Vitamix and has a strong 2-horsepower motor with a radial cooling fan and automatic thermal protection. The interface is inelegant but simple to operate, offering no presets but a pulse feature and 10 variable speeds. The plastic blending container has a smaller 48-ounce capacity, and the package includes sturdy 4-tip stainless steel blades, a mini damper, and a cookbook. We found this model very loud. It also doesn't work well with drier ingredients, so it's a better choice if you typically blend with lots of liquid. The small capacity also means you'll have a harder time blending for a party. Vitamix offers a shorter 5-year warranty on this model. If you prefer the convenience of modern trends, go for blenders that have pre-programmed settings and programmable timers. Simply pour warm water into the container, add a bit of soap, turn the blender on to the highest setting and let it run for 30 to 60 seconds. After dumping out the solution and rinsing the pitcher thoroughly, your blender will be ready for a new batch of smoothies. Pros: less expensive and lighter weight, strong motor with built-in safety features, sturdy blades, pulse feature and 10 variable speeds, easy to use, includes a mini tamper. Cons: very loud, needs a lot of liquid to blend smoothly, smaller blending capacity. Number 4. Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. The Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender is heavy and pricey but offers a range of smart features and an impressive warranty. If you're looking for an automated blend that will optimize its settings for you, this model could be your pick. The 14.92-pound A3500 has a strong 2.2 horsepower motor, a sturdy 4-tip stainless steel blade assembly, and a sleek but fairly complicated interface, so you'll have to spend some time with the manual. The touchscreen system offers 5 presets, including self-cleaning, smoothie, and frozen dessert programs, plus a range of manual speeds and a timer. This machine is designed to work with any of Vitamix's Ascent series blending containers, as the smart base reads the attached container and automatically adjusts its settings. This model also connects to the Vitamix app for extra programs and recipes. The package includes a low-profile 64-ounce blending pitcher, a tamper, and a cookbook. In testing, we found that the lid can be difficult to remove and the motor doesn't feel durable enough to justify the price point. Pros: strong motor and sturdy blades, 5 presets, pulse, and variable speeds. Elegant touchscreen interface with timer. Auto adjusts to a range of blending containers. Extra programs and recipes available through the app. Great 10-year warranty. Cons: heavy and more expensive. More complicated interface. Number 5. Vitamix Explorian Blender Low Profile Container. If you're looking for a great Vitamix blender that's capable of producing delicious and healthy juices, smoothies, ice creams and so much more with just a few minutes, take a look at this Vitamix 65542 Explorian blender. It got everything you want covered. The blender boosts a modern and elegant look to fit in both home and professional kitchens with no trouble. Besides, with every single detail, from the easy-to-use control knob, variable speed control to the laser-cut stainless steel blades, whatever you throw in the container will be crushed and pulverized into a creamy and consistent mixture. Standing at 18 inches tall, this machine is sure to fit under most standard kitchen cabinets. You can make a large batch with the 64-ounce container, whether it's for your family, your friends or guests on a special occasion. Key features: pulse feature, variable speed control, bend-resistant stainless steel blades, BPA-free container and lid, powerful motor base. Pros: built to last quality, can blend fast and consistently, versatile, uses to make different recipes, perfect for a large batch, easy to use. Cons: the built-in blades are pretty tricky to clean thoroughly, very loud, especially when blending at high speed. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Thanks for watching.